back there. You can get wet. Yeah. He's thinking about it.
No, seriously, like the perfect blowjob.
They're thinking about it.
This is a good commercial for Dunkin' Donuts.
He's got that hungry look in his eye. Oh, he wants it. Oh,
He's like, oh.
I can see it in his face. There's nothing stopping him. He's coming in.
Oh, we got a fourth bird.
Oh, we picked up another one.
Yeah. It's a long run now. See how many birds we can attract.
They're getting into formation.
Let's see how long Sarah's arm holds out.
Yeah, it's this one. He wants it.
Oh yeah.
He's thinking about it hard.
Like, should I go closer?
Should we got him inside of 200 or 200? We got him inside of 20 yards.
Yeah, he's like, somebody. Oh, fight.
Oh, here we go. Oh, they're getting competitive about it now. Woo!
Yeah. You gotta want it. You gotta come for it.
Earn the donut, bird. Earn the donut. This is what happens after a limit of coho.
Where's the donut? Okay, another bird brain ate the donut. Like, where's the donut?
We got our sleeper over on the port side, or
Oh,
starboard
got
side.
another one.
And we got a fifth coming in. We get like 30 by the time we get back to the harbor. Oh, we got a sixth one. Where'd the sixth come from? He must have pulled in off the side. Holy, wow, that was a good one.